If you're trying to generate your affiliate link on Amazon, then you landed on the right video, because I'm going to share with you step by step exactly how to do that. And I'm also going to share with you the thing that 90% of Amazon affiliates forget to do that ends up costing them a ton of money. My name is Rakeem Madison. Let's get into the content. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Amazon Associate Central account. All right, so the way that you're going to do that is you're going to go over here. You're going to go to google.com. Now, once you get to Google, what you want to do is you want to type Amazon Associates. Okay, so there it is right there. Hit that, and then all you're gonna do is make sure that you log into the Amazon Associate Central account. All right, so I'm gonna click on this, and I'm 9 times out of 10 already gonna be logged in. All right, so boom, as you can see, I'm already logged in. All right, so I'm gonna kind of scroll up so you can kind of see what everything looked like if you haven't really been in here like that, right? So you'll have your summary for last month, and then you'll have all of your statistics and all of that stuff. All right, now this is where you want to pay very close attention to what I'm about to show you. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to Tools. Then you want to click on SiteStripe. Now, when you click on SiteStripe, give it a few minutes here, it's going to pull up like this thing that's pretty much like an extension when you go on Amazon.com. All right, so it's pretty much this thing right here. See this little like tab? That's what you want to have, because what Amazon used to allow you to do, let me actually go over here to the home page for this. Let's go back real quick and we'll kind of jump back. But on the home page, they used to let you just come over here, and in this section right here, they used to have a way for you to just type in whatever the product that you was trying to sell or, you know, like do some affiliate marketing with, but they took that option away, which is why we have to go to this SiteStripe and we have to do everything directly from Amazon.com. All right, so boom, I'm over here, and what you'll want to do is you just want to make sure that you actually have this installed. Okay, now for you, if you don't have it installed, then what you'll see is you'll see like a little dial here, and then you can go ahead and take care of it. Now, what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna click back on the home page. All right, so we're back on the home page. Now, this part is very, very important. You want to do this before you even start promoting anything, and a lot of people forget to do this because probably they don't even know that it exists. But right here, I'm gonna click on my email, and then I'm gonna go right here to account settings. All right, and then right here, we're gonna go to global store preferences. Now, what is that? So global store is, most times when you have a regular affiliate link and you don't turn this on, what's gonna happen is if somebody is from another country, not the Amazon.com, the regular site, then you're not gonna get the commission for that, right? And then this is how a lot of people end up missing out on commissions. All right, so you can see right here, earn globally. Your store is currently configured to earn from these countries. So United States, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, all these different ones, right? Now, if I click on add countries, you can see I checked the box for all of them, but I went even more of an extra step than that. I actually use like, it's just like link software, and it allows me to go to even more countries, right? So that might just be something you want to do when you really starting to, you know, ramp up your numbers or whatever, you know, on Amazon affiliate marketing. All right, and then once you do that, then you're gonna be good to go to earn globally. And it's important you do that right off the jump. Like, especially you're doing blogging, if you're doing YouTube, and a lot of that stuff is like global, you really want to make sure that you're doing it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to Amazon, and you're gonna see how simple this is to create a link. All right, so let's say for instance I want to buy this particular camera right here. So once I get to this camera, what I want to do is I want to look right up here. Remember, we went ahead and we took care of that SiteStripe. That's why it was important. We want to make sure we come right here to where it says get link, and if I click on that, boom, all I got to do is just copy this. If I want to use the short link, 9 times out of 10 you probably gonna want to use the short link. In this case, if you want to do a full link, then you could do the full link. That'll be up to you, but I typically like to go with the short link. Now the next option is you can click right here to where it says image. Now when you click image, it's gonna have the image, it's gonna give you a link, and this could be like one that you can put on your website with like HTML or whatever it is, and then it'll just be showing up on your website. Now the other option is the text plus image. So this is where you got this little symbol right here, and then all you got to do is just do the same thing and then paste it into the HTML, and then you're gonna be able to just paste this on your website, and you're gonna see that that's a very, very simple process. Now as you can see, it's very, very simple for you to go ahead and generate your link, but as you can see earlier when I was talking about making sure that you're doing this global, that part is extremely important. Now if if you want to learn how to make your first sale with Amazon affiliates and you haven't yet done so, then I want you to watch the video that pops up above me, and then you will be able to do exactly what I've been able to do as far as Amazon affiliates.